Hello, namaskar. You're watching KTV India with me, Varsha Venugopal. A sudden reshuffle of governors by the centre has created political discussion across the country, especially in two major states, West Bengal and Tamil Nadu, where assembly elections are approaching. Many political observers believe this move is not just administrative but also politically significant. Let's understand what exactly happened. President Draupadi Murmu has announced a major reshuffle of governors across several states and union territories. The changes include important regions such as Delhi, Ladakh, Telangana, Maharashtra, Bihar, Himachal Pradesh, and Nagaland. But the biggest attention is on West Bengal and Tamil Nadu because elections are approaching there. The center has placed experienced administrators and diplomats in these sensitive states. According to analysts, this shows the government's focus on governance, security, and strong constitutional oversight rather than just ceremonial leadership. One of the biggest changes is in West Bengal. The current governor of Tamil Nadu, R.N. Ravi, has now been appointed as the new governor of West Bengal. He replaces C.V. Ananda Bose, who resigned from the position on Thursday. Ravi is a former IPS officer and an experienced negotiator known for his firm approach when it comes to constitutional matters. His arrival in Kolkata comes at a time when West Bengal is entering the final phase before the assembly elections. Political experts believe the centre may be positioning a strong constitutional enforcer in the state. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has raised questions about the decision. She said she was not consulted before the appointment. Reacting to the development, Banerjee wrote on X, "The reasons behind his resignation are not known to me at this moment. However, given the prevailing circumstance, I would not be surprised if the governor has been subjected to some pressure from the Union Home Minister to serve certain political interests on the eve of the forthcoming state assembly elections." Her statement shows the growing political tension ahead of the polls. Former Governor C.V. Ananda Bose reportedly resigned citing health issues. However, reports suggest there may have been other reasons as well. According to sources inside Raj Bhavan, Bose was frustrated because he felt the state administration was not allowing him to function effectively. Relations between the governor's office and the state government had already become strained. Last year, tensions increased further after a contractual women employee accused the governor of sexual harassment. Political insiders also say Bose's non-confrontational approach was not fully supported by some leaders within the state BJP. Meanwhile, Tamil Nadu has also seen a major change. Rajendra Arelekar has replaced R.N. Ravi as the new governor of Tamil Nadu. Ravi had a long and difficult relationship with the DMK government led by Chief Minister M.K. Stalin. There were repeated clashes between the Raj Bhavan and the state government. One of major dispute happened when Ravi withheld assent to several bills passed by the Tamil Nadu Assembly. The state government then approached the Supreme Court, which in a landmark observation called his actions illegal and arbitrary. Political analysts say the reshuffle could serve two purposes. First, it may reduce tensions in Tamil Nadu before elections. Second, it allows the centre to strengthen administrative influence in politically sensitive states. This is especially important because the BJP has never won an assembly election on its own in Tamil Nadu. At the same time, in West Bengal, the political battle between the BJP and Mamata Banerjee's Trinamool Congress is expected to be intense. So this Raj Bhavan reshuffle is not just a routine administrative decision. With elections approaching in key states, the appointment of experienced administrators has sparked debate about whether this is a governance strategy or a political move. And as the election season heats up, the role of governance in these states could become even more important.